Netflix does not have a direct features to mark show or movies as watched. However, you can keep track of what you've watched by following these simple steps. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to mark as watched in Netflix. So the first thing you have to do is start watching the episode or movies you want to mark as watched. Once you do that, fast forward to the end of the episode or movie. Once you fast forward it to the end or just watch a part of it, then allow the episode or movies to finish playing. This will mark it as watched in your viewing history, and that is how you can mark as watched in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.